Kasi
alright, gaya po ng sinabi ko po kanina, my partners po, mag-distribute po tayo.
kasi
Everybody hold their pineapple shots? Come on! Alright, is everybody raise your pineapple shots? Okay. And then, please erase your pizza sauce. This one is your pizza sauce. Color red. Okay. And then we have the sliced ham over here. It's made of pork. Okay? And of course, if you can see, we have here a powder rice. It's called the flour. Alright. Reminders lang po, ang flour mamaya hindi po siya ibinubuhos sa pizza. Ini-sprinkle lang po siya sa ating. So, kapag nahihirapan po kayo, just raise your hands para malapitan po namin kayo. Put on the screen, ayan, or sa tray niyo po, or sa table po ninyo, kung look at here. Kailangan po ma-stretch yun ng ganito. Ayan, you have to stretch your pizza.
Pabi mo na. Titigas daw yun.
Alright. Is everybody follow? You have to stretch it. Adi Clarissa. Pahelp po sa table 3. So, one of our staff will assist you po. Ayan, we have Rico. Ayan, please help Madam stretching the pizza. Alright, is everybody done? Okay, freeze. Yung tapos na, let it freeze. Alright. Are you enjoying? Yes, of course. Kasi ito po ang number 1. Pero ang paglalagay po ng pizza sauce is in the middle. Put your pizza sauce in the middle. And with the use of your spoon, you have to spread it by counterclockwise or clockwise. Paikot po. Hanggang sa edge ng ating pizza.
Okay, so you have to spread it like a circle. Spread it like a circle. Spread it like a circle. Like a circle. Spread it like a circle. Spread it like a circle. Like a...
Tulungan po namin. Spoon po. Spoon po. Alright. If everybody done, put it dapat all over your pizza. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Kaya ma'am, look ma'am.
Alright. Thank you. Ayan. All over your pizza, sprinkle it. Dapat ganito po yung pizza po natin na naka-sprinkle na yung cheese.
Everybody sprinkle, 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 sprinkle the cheese. You have to make sure that you have cheese all over your pizza. So you have to sprinkle it with lots of cheese.
Alright? Or initial of your first name.
One lang.
You can do it.
One only. Ay, one by one.
Alright, but eyes on here, ang regular Hawaiian pizza po is, ang bilis naman may ham na agad. Pineapple pa lang ako. Alright, so sprinkle oil. Is everybody done putting all your pineapples? Okay, if you're done, huwag niyo pong itaktak ang inyong pineapple sa pizza kasi may sabaw po ito. Slice up, and you can decorate your pizza with your own artwork. Pwede po kayong gumawa ng smiley, any design. Pwede po for today. Pero, kapag nag-order po kayo kay Shakey's at ang nakalagay ay smiley, bawal po yun. But for yung ating pineapple and cheese.
Salamin na dahil. Nasaan po yung ibang mommies? Mommy Juliet?
Kasi, wala kasi punta ko kayo.
Ulit mo lang eh.
Kapit ka doon lang.